How to fix application did not respond mid-journey. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will walk you through these steps to fix your Midjourney application when it doesn't respond. Now, it can be frustrating when the Midjourney app does not respond, so watch this video till the end to figure out how you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to midjourney.com. Here, you first want to sign into your account. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to be signed into your Discord account as well. For that, in another tab, you want to open up discord.com, then sign into your account. Once you have been signed into both of the accounts, the first thing you want to do is clear the browsing history of your web browser. So for that, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then from the options, you want to select Clear Browsing Data. Now it will take some time for the browsing data to be cleared. Once it has been cleared, you want to log into both Midjourney and Discord accounts. If you're facing any difficulty while logging in, you can also use VPN. Now, if this does not fixes your issue, then for the next step, you want to check your internet speed. Slow internet speed might also be causing issues with the Midjourney. So go ahead and open up a new tab and then search for any internet speed checking website such as fast.com. Then you want to check if your internet has any issues. If it does, you want to contact your internet provider. Once your internet connection is stable and fast, any issue in the Midjourney app will also be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.